She a little dusty. She's dusty. She's dusty, yeah. But I'm not. Period. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samantha and this is Planted. Okay, so I'm wearing the same outfit as I was wearing in my last video. If you don't do social media, then you don't understand this concept because batch filming is a thing. So like I'm filming as much as I can, okay, in batches. And I'm not changing my shirt to make it look like it's a different day. That would be a lie, and I don't do that here. We don't do that here. I'm really excited because I have some plant mail that I have not opened since I've gotten it. All right, so if you don't already know, I work closely with Southside Plants, and they are absolutely amazing. And they sent me over something. I know what's inside, but I've never gotten to use it, and I wanted you guys to be the first to see me open this up and use it for the first time. So I got, oh my god, oh my gosh, it's so cute. Hold on, I'm trying to hide my address because what y'all not gonna do is find me. Plant cleaning wipes. This is the cutest packaging ever. This is mad cute. Sorry for the harsh lighting. I'm just like in front of my window, but this is so cute. The packaging is so cute. Yes, Southside Plants. Okay, let's see what it says on the back. Let's see. Okay, so it says Southside Plants wipes are large, extra thick wipes made of 100% plant-based fibers that, with naturally derived ingredients, including purified water and cinnamon extract. What? Okay. They are made with a soft waffle pattern environmentally friendly fiber. The fiber is made from wood pulp and is a 100% renewable source. The plant wipes are ideal for dusting and cleaning smooth leaves. They are chlorine, alcohol, dye, paraben, and phthalate free. Not for use on fuzzy leaves. That's actually really helpful to know. Ingredients: purified water, glycerin, cinnamon extract, store at room temperature, and do not flush. All right, that's really cool to know. Oh my god. Okay, so they do expire, and they expire in 2025, so this year, but they expire in July. But they were good since 2023, so that's pretty dope. Damn, I like this. They feel very heavy duty. We love heavy duty. Let's try them out. Let's see how they work though. Do they work? But honestly, they're from Southside Plants, so I already know they're gonna work good. Guys, I gotta put you on to something. It is called the Crazy Cakey Cloning Paste by Southside Plants. And when I tell you this is life-changing, it changes the game for all plants. You know I wouldn't lie to you. So what is Crazy Cakey Cloning Paste? It's a group of hormones that stimulates the plant, and what those hormones do is just reproduce that leaf. So say your plant lost some leaves and you're just like, dang, like I'm never gonna get that leaf back. This cloning paste can actually bring back that leaf. So the jar that I have is all like beat up, a little shattered, and definitely used. Okay, definitely, hold on. Definitely used because it works. This Crazy Cakey cloning paste is awesome. It comes with these little cotton swabs, Q-tips, whatever you want to call them, and you just dip them into this cloning paste and you put it on your plants to clone the plant. What? They not only make this Crazy Cakey cloning paste, but they have leaf shine, they have fertilizers, they do specialize a lot in orchids as well. So there's something for every kind of plant. I really, really love this company. When I first bought this, I bought this like a couple years ago, and I used it on a pothos, I used it on a raindrop peperomia, and it worked. It literally worked. Like, I'm still shook to this day. So if you are interested in buying this Crazy Cakey cloning paste, I have a discount for you. Are you ready? I don't think you're ready. The discount is 10% off of your entire purchase using my code Plvnted. And remember, Plvnted with a V. And it's all caps. So Plvnted. And it is for 10% off your entire purchase. I'm telling you, go get you some of this. Go get you some, and don't say I didn't tell you. And when it works, remember who put you on. Okay? All right, let's get back to the regular programming. All right, so I'm gonna start on like a really small plant. I'm gonna take this out of its decorative pot. This is my Hoya Crimson Queen. I just mentioned it in my last video. So as like beautiful as she is, her leaves are a little dusty. She's a little dusty. So I'm like really curious to see how this works. I'm gonna actually readjust my camera, and you guys are gonna get to see me like using it, and I'm also gonna get to see it at the same time. All right, so I have my plant. Like I said, it's a little dusty. These speckles are not actually dust, but there is dust on the leaf itself. I'm gonna just zoom in just a little bit here. And I'm really interested in seeing how these wipes work. So we're gonna pop them open. I'm so excited. Ooh, I love that sound. That was nice. That was very satisfying. Okay, so I took out the wipe, and so it is, like they said, like a waffle textured wipe. All right, let's see. So you can see there's like some dust, and then there's also like some like little just like speckles, like what? They are dusty. And when your plant is really dusty, they will struggle to absorb like light, and that is what they need obviously to grow. But let's give it a wipe. Wow, wait. Wait. Y'all see the wait. Hold on. You can't really see it, but because like the dust is clearly like just light. But wait. Why is this so exciting? Okay, I'm gonna get under the leaf as well. And they smell really good. They smell, oh my God. I can't put my finger on it. Okay, but anyway, they smell so good. Y'all see that? I didn't even wipe here yet at the tip of this, but look. Okay, if you don't see it, that's fine, but I know I do. Oh, shoot, this looks good. I might have found my new hobby of just wiping my plants. Oh my God. I haven't done this in so long because like it's like tedious for me, and I get anxious about like this kind of stuff of like not, you know, missing a leaf. Wait, no, now I'm excited. I'm on a roll. Hold on, let's get into this. Hold on. Okay. Oh my God, it looks so much better. And you should always wipe under your leaves as well. This will also help with getting rid of any pests, or will also just help with pest prevention. Some pests really like dusty, dry areas. I know spider mites tend to. So this will actually really help with preventing that. Just keeping your leaves clean. Oh my God. How many wipes? It comes with 80 wipes. Okay. Wait. Game changer alert. Game changer alert. Look at this plant. She looks brand new. Oh my God. She looks so good. I'm in shock. Okay, 10 out of 10.